Wait to win!
Back to back!
Double or nothing!
What about Pescado?
You get Prosecco
And
Moscato. You say Moscato.
Pescado.
Prosecco.
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 Prosecco. What about Pescado?
You mixing two of them bottles up together.
So that should be a drink though. That should
Go poison yourself.
alcohol never poison nobody. It's
Prosecco
good for the
together.
germs. They skip baby gin from 3 months old.
Liver transplant. Blah! I've been talking to you too much.
I don't even want my liver. I'm from Shorty. We don't born with liver.
We born with gills.
Somebody say wait to wait.
Back to back!
Let's get it on. Turn the music up, bro.
Let me focus.
Alright,
Yeah.
focus. I know you can focus on 20% though. Well, my plan today is to make sure that one, Joey don't kill the vibe no more. That's my guy. Next plan, we're going over here. You know, we can send a lot of stuff. Probably half of the stuff we never did. It's just for the vlog. So tune in. Make sure I have your donations for my hospital bill. Yes, sir.
I do really gotta take it soon. I'm kind of stressed about that.
Hey, anything better than this is a setup. If they try to convince you it's not a setup, call 1-800-TRIX. I'll be there. Make sure you get this, eh?
I got two.
We in the water. We got the sharks outside today.
I was going to RKO you off the back.
Try it then.
But the light.
Bring yourself. I'll try I can put him on the back of his head right now.
I land on my neck when I come on my mommy. That was once.
Jakey, pull it.
That's how the cookie is coming. And all that pressure, I don't even reach you and you fly off. So much pressure, you had a backflip.
Oh!
Yours after you to do, split drop.
And then they
Sick.
Whoa, what was that?
Just pop by itself.
Holy.
I got it.
I too fast for this. Play that in slow mo.
I gonna try to run on water now. Hey, I reach far, but I do my thing.
You jump far.
Yeah.
Yo, boys ready to get up here? You ready to sacrifice it?
Somebody
All
say
right, Meg.
this was Pescado.
Prosecco.
I know.
That's my main thing for today. I'm gonna learn that word.
Prosecco.
Prosecco.
See that? Bria. Prosecco. Made in
word down.
Italy.
Yo,
2009.
That's a C or G.
C. 2 C's.
Cool.
You be the first man to do the try it. And I can see how you land and then I can go after you.
He's gonna be the new hype come next year, guys. So look at him good. He's working on it. Tricks are for kids, and he's gonna do triples.
Tricks got too much kids. Tricks ain't for kids.
He ain't need them no more.
Oh, I gotta do
Devils?
a DNA to figure out if I got 6.
Oh.
That's on camera.
The great Lord say, be fruitful and multiply.
Nick Cannon.
Hey!
Whoa! Fly like an eagle! I say wait to wait!
Back to back!
I Trix can do it.
Me? I'm a pussy. I don't care. When it comes to that, Tricks ain't doing no foolishness.
I need more men around me to do something different because I just fractured my left leg and my right side. Stay tuned for the slow-mo. We're gonna find out. Tricks punk out. He jumped like a pussy. He's supposed to be the next Mr. Hype. But now I'm taking like 2 years of suspension on him. So you're gonna have to check him in like 2025. Jake on the other hand, he's supposed to be the man with the plan. You know, he came to do whatever he can. But he's looking like he's about to get expelled if he ain't gonna jump. We're gonna have to send him back to where he come from, where he got regular waves.
Massachusetts.
Yeah, this out here, buddy, is different.
Do you need me to count for you like Isla? 1, 2.
Yes, sir! Alright, so Jake is tired, you know, he's working with us now. Wake to wake!
Back to back.
Yes, sir, we in the building, guys. We do the wild stuff on the island. If you're ready for a good time, come with us, man. No crime, just a good time. My complexion is what they call dark. But if you look right here, you'll see what we call red or purple. And you can't get red or black.
Do some foolishness.
No, I'm not gonna lie. That's up there. That's up there.
I ain't going back unless somebody flipping with me.
I want to try, man. I ain't even gonna lie.
Man, you can do it, bro.
I want to try, bro. If anything happens to me, wake to wake, just make sure y'all give my kids a trust fund, okay?
Any more than that, you got 5 kids. A trust fund ain't enough. That man need a full life coverage. He got 5 kids. Double or none, boys. Split rock.
Good luck.
It's about to get crazy out here. I just did a floater in Still Spring. They float too long.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do a double and see how it goes. Right there, just make sure Jason rich.
This about to be crazy. Mama, if I land this,
Hey, last
we made
chance.
it.
It is way higher than it looks. I'm usually not bad with heights, bro. Like, I thought I'd be like comfortable jumping off of anything and backflipping off anything. Nah, bro.
What the fuck am I doing with my life?
You want me to count down from 10?
Wait to wait.
Back to back.
Yes, sir!
Yeah, bro!
Yeah! Fuck yeah, I still want y'all to give my kids that trust fund though.
Let's see it, Stag.
Just float, like you say, just float.
Come on, Stag.
I ain't no more king of the shipwreck. I gonna be king of the island.
Yeah! Somebody say wake to wake!
Back to back.
Double or nothing! I done conquered my fear. I made it. Ain't nobody can say I no pussy no more.
That was it, guys. Mr. Hype, one and only king of the island. If you ready, come check me. I'll do triples on you, bro. That's just a little season of the greetings.
I ain't regular, feel like Jordan wearing 45. Traumatized, victimized, seen some of my niggas die. Knock you off a base with a bat when them niggas slide. Homicide, genocide, televised, emphasize, perpetuating war. Tell that nigga he gon' pick a side. Hood ties from hood lines, now niggas doing dope lines. I'm running to the cops, that's a bitch, nigga exercise.